So this is how you should really do your headlights. I know most people put like 1,000, 1,200 and 2,000, but you should really get this UV coating off. So the first step for me, or what I use, is a 180 grit. So I use a 180, remove all of that, and then build the steps up. So I'll show you. So that's a 180 on a DeWalt sander. It's quite an aggressive cut. So what you can see is the top coating, that UV coating coming off. So we'll remove all of that. So that's 180 on there. The next step is to get a bit of guide coat. So I use dry guide coat and just cover that in dry guide coat. So you can see how the powder's gone into the little scratches. Then the next step is to ramp this up with 400. So there's a 400 on there. Basically sand it so you can see the guide coat getting removed. So let the machine do the sanding. So that's the 400. The next step is use a 500 on a pad. I've run out of 800, so I'm going to just switch it up to a 500, then I'll show you the next step. So basically wet flat it, clean it all up. You can see the headlights starting to come through. So that's with 400. I will go up a step to 600. So 600 wet and dry, rub it down, and then that'll be ready for etch clear. So that's it. These have got, both of these have got etch clear on them, so proper. And then I've just done the bumper as well, so the bumper's ready. Just got to basically fit it all back together, flat and polish everything, and jobs are good in.